So this is the Mossy Oak 21-in-1 set, and what makes it so good is the actual price itself. You get a bit holder with the bits themselves included. Now the great thing about this specific thing is that not only it looks great, it's also super affordable as well. So you no longer have to pay big money, and a lot of times if you're on a construction job, you're taking it camping on the go, in the office environment and so on, you need something that you can afford to lose and of course replace it with another one. Taking a look at this up close, let's go ahead first and check out the case itself. This is how the case actually looks like over here. What I like a lot about the case is that it comes with a bunch of bit holders for us to go ahead and use. In fact, we have a set of 4 of them that is included over here for us to get. And the next thing is the tool itself. So let's go ahead and show you the actual tool here. So the tool is very nice. It's a little bit on the heavy side. That's one of the main things I dislike about this. Other than that, it's pretty good. So opening this up, just like this, you can see how it actually looks like over here. All combined, we have the pliers at the top over here that you can go ahead and use. Then we have the most important tools right on the sides that you can easily access. So let me show you all of them. So we have the knife blade over here. That's the first one. Now the thing about this, as you go through this, you hold the tick sound. Well, that makes it right there. It locks in place right here. So for those of you who are in different countries that you're not allowed a lockable blade, you can't actually get this. Now there is an unlock button right here. You press on it, press it all the way down, and you unlock the blade and you close it out. Next one over here, opening this one up. This one is very nice. I actually really like this specific one, and it's a file tool. On the other side there is a miniature ruler here for us to use as well, and you can go ahead and start doing your projects. So it gives you like 3 inches here, but it's better than nothing. And a lot of times you only need a few inches for you to measure, and having a tool on you at all times that you can actually do that is a plus in my book. Now the next thing over here, we have 2 saws. We have one a jagged one, this one Sergey edge addition of a small saw over here that we can use, and this specific one also, keep in mind, you press this button, close it up. Now this one is the more powerful saw. This one, ooh, okay, this one is really good. There's a lot of edges to this, and that's how it looks like over here. Press it down and we go ahead and close it. Now some of them are much more stiffer than others. You might have to oil them up to loosen them up, that is. Now as you open this out, you'll be able to access some of the other tools over here as well. Can you access it from here? Yes, you can. You can access it either way you want. So if you keep it open, and that's one of the great things about this, is that we have all access to all the tools except the pliers right on the outside of this, and you can easily access them and use them. So over here we have a few more tools for us to get. We have a bottle opener with a tipped for, as if you want to replace this instead of a screwdriver, you can use this as an emergency tool. Next one over here is this one over here, really sharp edge over here. This is great for Amazon package opening, by the way. Absolutely a must-have. This one over here is, we have another one. So we have a can opener and a bottle opener in this location. So we have both of them. In case one of them doesn't work or it's not the correct one, you can go ahead and switch between them around. We also have a much smaller addition of it maybe if you want to go ahead and use this as a flathead screwdriver on this end, and on this one is the bigger flathead screwdriver as well here. Overall, we have a bunch of good different tools here, but we forgot the most important one of all is the ability for us to go ahead and use the bits. So the bit holder is right on the outside of this. Hear that sound? It's locked in place here, and you can move it this way if you want to, or halfway in if you want to do halfway in with this. And that's where all those tools come into place here. And another great thing about this is that the bit holders themselves, they're double-sided. So you pick whichever side you actually want. They're very stiff inside here. Taking one of them out, picking whichever one you want, sticking this in. You're going to be using either this end or switch it around and pick a different one for you to use as well here. Now, another thing for you to know is that this thing doesn't have, there is no locking mechanism for this, but it does hold in place somehow. I think there's a small magnet that keeps it from falling off, but this is for you to know that it just sits there with a little bit of magnet. Can it fall down? Not from just pushing it down or pointing it down, but if you're doing something, it can easily just come out. So just keep this in mind so you don't accidentally lose those bits because of that. Other than that, I really like it. I think it's very handy, and I absolutely like the bit holders with the bits themselves that you get with this. And even better, you have the carry case that is also included as well. So if you're looking for a lot of tools on the go and you're doing a lot of jobs, this one is something for you to consider getting for yourself. And it's such a very good value for your money as well. If I'm gonna rate this, I would give this 7.9 out of 10. You get the value, you get a lot of things here. It's just a little bit on the heavy side. Other than that, it's great for you to have.